Punjab BJP delegation met Governor Gulab Chand Kataria on several issues of Punjab, whether it's law and order or attack on media, as alleged by BJP, and other issues that are concerning for Punjab. We have Fateh Jang Bajwa, who's senior leader in BJP and vice president of party in Punjab. Paji, how you see this? Because citing law and order and several incidents, you've been raising concerns previously also, and today you met governor. What's the assurance that you got, and how about the issue of Atishi or attack on media you see?
Chotevi, today Punjab is burning. You take any issue, whether it is the gangsters, whether it is frothies, whether it is drugs, whether it is, gagging the voice of the press. You see, the governor is really worried. And he said he is writing to the Delhi High Command that these kind of situation is happening in Punjab today. It is unfortunate that first this government, about a year and a half, they tried to gag the voice of Ajit newspaper, which is one of the leading newspaper of Punjab. Because they were writing the facts and figures and they were saying this, the government is, how they're looting the money out of Punjab. Then second, Punjab Kesari people, they just, came out with a story on Sheesh Mahal with the press conference held by Maliwal in Delhi. What is wrong in that? You see, that is why they, first of all, they gave FIR, put an FIR on the press. Then they put all the departments of Punjab government, whether it is pollution, whether it is any department, they are trying to, gag their voice. Punjab Kesari Group, Hind Samachar Group was before partition, this newspaper has been running. So if you think by, putting these FIRs, you can stop their crusade against the wrongdoings of this government, then they're sadly mistaken. What I feel, the press should get together and be a force against anybody who's trying to gag their voice. Unfortunately, money plays a big role. The big TV media houses, they are being paid big advertisement, this thing, and they don't want to annoy the government. But this way, I'm telling you, Punjab is suffering. Yesterday, you seen a singer,
B. Prag, he got a threat.
B. Prag, he got a threat from the gangsters that you have to pay 10 crore rupees. Oh, my dear, is he singing to earn the money for these gangsters? And in Punjab, it has gone down so low that if you buy a new car today, you will get a threat letter, by the evening that you have got this car at so much money. Now this much of money you have to pay to us. How will people today? I have seen. I've been talking to the business class people. They said 5 lakh rupees per month. We have to keep the security guards with us, and still we don't know whether we are safe or not. How will this government try to save these people? The community, the business is flowing out of Punjab. The drugs are flowing in Punjab. The law and order situation is such that no one expects any, kind of help from the police, whether it is DGP. No one is listening to you. Whatever the government says, they will listen to the government. And whatever is wrong, they will say, no, it is right.
So has governor any...
He's assured us that all these matters are being sent to the central government, to the Home Minister, and they are very, very worried. Actually, the central government is very worried about Punjab, the way Punjab is being handled by this.
Chief Minister met Union Minister Amit Shah yesterday, and law and order was not the issue that should be raised in the meeting. So other issues were raised. So you see that this issue or law and order situation in Punjab should have been a topic of discussion with the Union Minister.
I feel very sorry the way the chief minister is holding the meeting with the home minister, you get a time, you pick up your issues which are really concerning Punjab. Whether it is law and order, they need more forces, they need more money, and whether it is drugs, how to control it, they need NIA, they need, whatever help from the center. But unfortunately, we don't know what went among the talks inside. But when the chief minister came out to address the press, you have to listen to that, the interview he gave to or the answer he gave to the press that time. It was so pathetic. You feel so ashamed by the chief minister of Punjab. In what condition, in what way, what circumstances, the chief secretary is prompting from the back, and he doesn't. I mean, what could have taken place inside with the home minister? He must have understood that, right, Punjab is suffering because of these kind of people. So I pray to the God Almighty that Punjab should get good people, good government, whosoever people want, but don't experiment people like these, the culprits of today. So Punjab is suffering a lot.
One last question. Malvinder Kang is the MP from Anandpur Sahib. He has written to Prime Minister on Atishi that action should be taken on the people who are responsible.
I am 100% with Mr. Malvinder Singh Kang. The action should be taken against people, those who are spreading wrong this thing in society. If Malvinder Singh Kang's letter is a fake kind of a thing, or he is expecting, is he ready to face the circumstances? He's asking where other people should do it. We are ready for that. And we would appreciate that. Oh yeah, who doesn't know Atishi, what she spoke in the Vidhan Sabha? You see, that is their inner thing which is coming out. The kind of mentality. This is the mentality of they don't respect any God for that matter. They don't respect any religion. Their chief minister, their other people, so many videos being circulated. I don't know whether they're right or wrong, but ultimately the truth will come out. But if that is the truth, then God help Punjab.
Thank you so much. This was Fateh Jang Bajwa, who met Governor right before some time, and they have raised concern on law and order and other issues of Punjab. And Governor Punjab has cited a report, has asked a report from DGP Punjab, which will be given to the Union Ministry and Union Government. With video journalist Girish, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.